Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add fields in pivot table. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create the pivot table. To create pivot table, simply select the data. So just drag with the mouse and select your data. The second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab and here in Tables group have a pivot table option. Just click on this drop down arrow and then click on the from table or range. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, the pivot table, from table or range. The range of table is automatically selected. Then click on the new worksheet and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the one sheet is added in this Excel file. Okay. Now you can create here the pivot table. To create pivot table, you have to add the pivot table fields. So to add pivot table field, just click on this checkbox. Just click on it and here you can see in rows area, the customer name is added. So here total four area is available: filters, columns, and rows and values. So you can just drag the fields and drop here also in this columns area, and you just click on this checkbox also to add the fields here. And the second way, you just right click on the fields and here you can see I have some option. Add to report filters means filters area. Add to row labels means rows area. And add to column labels means columns area. Add to values means values area. So you just click on it and you can add here. So date I'm going to add in filter. So in filter is date added. Okay. So this is a way you can add the fields. Suppose I just remove these fields to create a drag drop and I just adjust here some fields. See here the changes in your pivot tables. So I just customer name around this. Okay. Then amount, price, I just drag and values drop. Okay. So my pivot table is ready. Now I just close this pivot table fields. And if you want to open these fields again, so just click the inside in this pivot table, then go to the pivot table analysis tab. And here the show group have a field list. Just click on the fields list and you can add it again easily. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.